Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing the voiceover for Pachi's makeover. So right now we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Now we're gonna put like something like the bat symbol on top of your eyebrows, and that's concealer. And then we're gonna blend in the concealer so it doesn't look like the bat symbol on your forehead. Now we're gonna start with eyeshadow, light eyeshadow. Now a little bit of darker eyeshadow, and then a little bit of darker eyeshadow, so it could blend in and look good. But that's a lot of eyeshadow for one eye. Now we got the darker one. Now we're gonna put some concealer on it, or either that or something that's gonna make you go blind. That's a lot of concealer, but I believe that's to make the color blend in more. Now we're gonna put eyeliner on it. Make sure you don't poke your eye out. Then we're gonna put some glitter on it to make it pop. So it could be a glitter golden. We're gonna put the eyelashes on. That was very quick. Now we're gonna put the foundation, and now this is your concealer, which looks like the bat wings. So see, we're creating the Batman here. So we got the bat symbol. Now we got the bat wings. Now we're gonna blend all that in so we don't look like a superhero, and we're gonna do the contouring, which is gonna be all over your face. You're gonna look like the Indian princess. Now you're gonna put some concealer and some contouring on your lips. Mwah. I love your lips, mama. Now we're gonna put on your nose so you look like Pocahontas. After you look and you make sure you look like Pocahontas, then you start to blend it in. So blend on your nose, blend on your cheeks, and we're gonna pucker the lip like that, like you're gonna kiss somebody or like you're constipated. These are important gestures to do your makeup. Now we're gonna blend in the powder so it doesn't come in. So we're gonna put powder on it to make sure it stays in with sealer with the powder. Now we're going to that was quick. I couldn't see it. I forgot what I did there. Now we're gonna put the bronzer. That's what it is. That's bronzer. And now we're on the nose. And now more around the nose to make it glow, make it pop. We want the J-Lo look. Now we're gonna put the glitter glow on your cheekbone, on your nose, so you could look like a superstar. Now we're gonna put the little eye drop in there. So it looks like either you're trying to do a lot of makeup in your eye or you're trying to pop your eye. Now we're gonna put the natural color lipstick, and voila. Check me out, baby. I'm so hot. Ooh, I love you. Oh, now we're gonna switch the color for the night. Now we're gonna go party. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood everything I said. I'm too sexy for my girl, too sexy for my ha baby, yeah. Thanks for watching.